He's really texting you. I wasn't even looking at him or laughing at him. Silly.
We're gonna still him be a baby.
Who's our happy baby?
Not too hard on Jay.
Okay, be careful now.
Someday, Levi, when they're big enough, okay?
Yeah, when they're big enough, they'll throw you around.
Yeah, I was like, don't worry, your time will come. And then he's gonna be crying like a baby the whole time.
Hey. Oh, Jackson Law.
Oh, baby.
Hey. Who likes his blankie? Who likes his blankie? Uh-oh. Nick. Be careful. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Silly. Huh? Huh?
What?
Huh? Silly Chase. Oh. Silly Chase.
That is a big jack.